Get your first concrete clients by turning every personal contact and local connection into a clear, low-risk offer they can say yes to. Start by mapping your personal network and asking for small referrals from friends, family, and past coworkers. Offer a simple, limited scope discount or a free advisory visit to lower friction and demonstrate competence. Show up with a short checklist for site prep, material choices, and expected timelines so homeowners see you know the process and costs before you quote. Photograph past informal work or practice pours and create a single professional one-page bid template that lists scope, materials, and staged payments so estimates look established. Partner with landscapers, electricians, and general contractors to trade leads and share margins on bundled projects. Offer a clear commission or exchange for vetted referrals. Post concise project offers on local online forums and job boards with before and after examples, firm start dates, and a capped price window to attract quick decisions. Offer a 2-week scheduling window for small jobs to create urgency and make it easy for a homeowner to choose you this month. The 3 most common mistakes are underpricing and then cutting corners, overpromising timelines without site checks, and relying only on passive online listings. If you underprice, you damage reputation and cash flow, so prepare standardized material cost sheets and labor rates you will not compromise on and explain them clearly to the client. If you promise an unrealistic timeline, schedule a site visit first and give a realistic phase timeline that accounts for weather and curing times, then update the client daily by text or a quick call. If you only list passively online, combine active outreach like door knocking nearby older homes, leaving a concise flyer, joining local homeowners discussion forums, and posting on community bulletin boards so people hear your name more than once. BigHomeProjects.com connects our community of homeowners and contractors to make those early leads easier to find and respond to. We help homeowners discover local concrete pros, and we help contractors find jobs while participating in our discussion community where practical job tips and local recommendations circulate.